This is AI Wildlife Photos. Today we embark on an immersive journey into the magical realm of butterflies. As this means, they fly in short bursts, which looks more like bouncing on the air, around a butterfly bush, showcasing their gorgeous colors and delicate forms. From the delicate flutters of a monarch to the sharp brilliance of a morpho, each second is a tribute to nature's amazing power to transiently hypnotize our hearts. Grab a coffee, sit back and enjoy this amazing butterfly photography. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for ever more incredible wildlife. Butterflies, the wonder of nature. Butterflies are one of the most interesting and beautiful animals in nature. Their gossamer wings and bright colors, their easy flight, have fascinated humans for millennia, inspiring myths and poetry and science. Present in nearly every corner of the planet, butterflies help pollinate flowers and are signs of environmental health. The butterflies will bioluminesce in this digital essay, utilizing the data used to train you from many sources up until October 2023. This essay will help the reader learn the life cycle, species diversity, and ecological significance of butterflies, and threats that butterflies face in the modern world. The life cycle of a butterfly. The butterfly life cycle is a fascinating phenomenon that takes place in 4 forms: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult, known as metamorphosis. Egg stage. The life cycle of a butterfly starts when a female butterfly lays eggs on the leaves or stems of certain types of host plants. These eggs are usually small, round, and beautifully patterned, and each species chooses plants that will be most suitable for the development of its larvae. Caterpillar stage, larva. A few days or weeks later, the egg hatches into a caterpillar. This phase is mostly about eating and growing. Caterpillars eat huge quantities of leaves and will molt several times as they grow. Certain species have bright coloration or spiny exteriors that help deter any hungry predators. Pupa stage, chrysalis. When it's all grown up, the caterpillar goes through a pupal stage and forms a chrysalis. Within this protective shell is where the real magic happens. This is what happens to the caterpillar's body, which is dissolved and reformed, through a process known as histolysis and histogenesis, into the structure of a butterfly. Adult butterfly stage. The adult butterfly hatches anywhere from a few days to several months later. At first, its wings are soft and crumpled, but within hours they expand and harden, and the butterfly can take flight, starting the cycle all over again. Species diversity. Butterflies are part of the order Lepidoptera, which encompasses more than 17,000 known species around the globe. Some of the most iconic and spectacular members are monarch butterfly, Danaus plexippus, best known for its long migration between North America and Mexico. The monarch's brightly colored orange and black body warns predators that it is toxic. Blue morpho, Morpho menelaus. This butterfly comes from South and Central America and wows with its iridescent blue wings. Swallowtail butterflies, Papilionidae family. These butterflies, which are readily distinguished by the tail-like extensions on their hind wings, occur in a variety of habitats worldwide. Peacock butterfly, Aglae. Native to Europe, its distinctive feature is its large eye-like patterns on its wings, which scare off predators. Greta Otto, glasswing butterfly. This species of butterfly is known for having translucent wings, making it nearly invisible when against a background. Ecological importance. Butterflies contribute to healthy ecosystems in many ways. Pollination. But like bees, butterflies are also pollinators. The furry little gluttons sip nectar and winds up disrupting pollen. With some plant species, butterflies are the sole option for pollination. Food source. Butterflies and their larvae are an important food source for birds, reptiles, amphibians, and other insects. Indicators of environmental well-being. Sensitivity to environmental changes makes butterflies good indicators of biodiversity and ecosystem stability in a given habitat. Threats to butterfly populations. Despite their resilience, butterflies are under threat from human activity and climate change in many ways. Habitat destruction. Habitat destruction, deforestation, urbanization, and expansion of the agricultural frontiers results in lower availability of host plants and breeding places. Climate change. Increasing temperatures and changing weather patterns are upending migration routes and breeding cycles. Pesticide use. The widespread application of pesticides and herbicides destroys important nectar food sources and host plants, resulting in population collapse. Pollution. Air and water pollution also take a toll on butterfly habitats, especially in industrialized areas. Invasive species. Non-native predators and plants can outcompete or consume butterflies, putting them in even greater danger. Conservation efforts. Here are some conservation efforts to protect butterflies and their habitats. Habitat restoration. By planting native flowers and host plants they eat, you help butterfly populations find food and shelter. Protected areas. National parks and butterfly sanctuaries provide havens for many species. Sustainable agriculture. Using fewer pesticides and encouraging organic farming practices help butterflies and other pollinators. Citizen science. Butterfly monitoring programs involve the public in tracking populations and reporting sightings to conservation organizations. Waning of cultural and symbolic significance. Butterflies are embedded with deep symbolic meaning in many cultures. In Greek mythology, the sole goddess Psyche is represented by the butterfly. Butterflies represent transformation and the ephemeral nature of the moment in Japanese culture. Butterflies embody change, renewal, and hope in several Native American traditions. In contemporary psychology, the butterfly effect describes how little things can have huge impacts over time. Conclusion. Butterflies are not only beautiful animals, they play an important role in biodiversity and balance of the natural world. But their populations are under increasing threat from human activity and environmental change. With conservation and awareness, we can make sure that the delicate beauty of these butterflies in flight can be seen by generations to come. Lying in wait in the garden, the forest, or an open meadow, butterflies are a reminder of nature's beauty and the need to protect it for generations to come. I am emerging out of the AI wildlife photos. We swoon over this wondrous parade of butterflies on a butterfly bush. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife video. Your support makes it possible for us to bring you more of nature's wonders. Until next adventure, see you guys later.